What are the long-term legal consequences of a plea bargain? Imagine facing a situation where you have the chance to resolve a criminal case without a trial, but the decision you make now could influence your future in ways you might not immediately realize. When individuals agree to a plea bargain, they are essentially accepting a formal admission of guilt or a lesser charge in exchange for a more lenient sentence or other benefits. While this process can provide quick resolution and reduce the stress of a lengthy trial, it also carries lasting implications that can shape a person's legal record and personal opportunities for years to come. One of the primary long-term effects of a plea bargain is the impact on your criminal record. Once a plea deal is accepted and the court approves it, the conviction typically remains on your record indefinitely. This record can be accessed by employers, landlords, and licensing agencies, potentially affecting employment prospects, housing opportunities, and professional licensing. Even if the plea is later expunged or sealed in some jurisdictions, the process can be complex and not always guaranteed. Another significant consequence involves the potential for increased scrutiny in future legal matters. Having a conviction on your record, even if it was obtained through a plea bargain, can influence the outcome of subsequent criminal cases or background checks. Certain jobs or government positions may have strict policies regarding criminal history, and a prior plea deal could limit your eligibility or requiring disclosure during applications. Additionally, accepting a plea bargain may influence your civil rights. For example, some convictions can lead to the loss of voting rights, restrictions on firearm ownership, or limitations on certain civil liberties. These effects can persist long after the legal case has concluded and may requiring legal action to restore rights in some cases. It is also important to consider the emotional and social consequences. A plea deal might be viewed negatively by some community members or future employers, especially if the case involved serious charges. The stigma associated with a criminal record can affect personal relationships and community standing. In summary, while plea bargains can provide a faster resolution and reduce the immediate penalties, they often result in long-term legal consequences that can influence various aspects of life. These include the permanency of criminal records, future employment and civil rights, and ongoing social implications. Understanding these potential outcomes is crucial when considering whether to accept a plea deal.